Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you my go-to hairstyle, which is kind of this undone wavy haired look. So for that I'm going to be using my T3 Micro Twirl Trio tool. It comes with 3 barrels. This is the 1-inch barrel. It gives you kind of those tighter curls. The one I'm going to be using today for my undone waves is this 1.25 inch. The other one is this 2-inch barrel. It gives you kind of this voluminous, loose waves. So let's get started. First step is adding some texture to your hair because it helps in your curls lasting longer, and for that I'm using this Charcoal Detox Shampoo by IGK. It's a great dry shampoo and works as a texturizing spray as well. So all you need is just spritz a little bit on your hair. Just like that. Okay, once I'm done with that, I like to add some heat protectant. So for that I'm using this Bumble and Bumble's Hairdresser's Invisible Oil Heat Protectant. Just spray it from your mid-length to, down to the ends. Just a little bit of it. So now, since my hair is all ready and prepped, I am going to divide my hair into 3 sections. First, I will take this top section. And then another one. So I'm gonna bring the leftover hair in the front, and I'm gonna be showing you 2 ways to do these curls, with and without the clip. So let me start. So this, I think, is kind of a good section of hair to take. Just take this clip, leave a section of hair, and then start wrapping it away from your face. I like to keep it for 5 seconds. And then just release the clip. So here I have kind of these undone waves. Let me show you the other side with the other technique. So what I'm going to do now is just wrap the hair around the barrel. Again, leaving some section out. And just let it cool for 2-3 seconds. And just leave it. Just pull it a little bit, and yeah. And now we are down to the last section. So for this section, I tend to not use the clip barrel and just wrap my hair around. I think it's a quick tutorial. It just takes me about 20 minutes tops. And once you get the hang of it and you get used to using it, it'll just take you 10 minutes or so. What I like to do with my face hair is just very lightly just give them a light curl. Well, there you have it. Easy undone waves. I'm gonna finish it up with this No Frizz Humidity Shield Spray by Living Proof because it's almost summertime. Just lightly spray on your waves. And another very important step is adding some volume. I have very thin hair, so definitely need this step. So for that, I'm going to be using this Dry Volume Blast by Living Proof. Spray some in the roots, massage with your hair, massage with your fingers. It just gives that volume to my hair. Just do a little bit towards the ends. And the last step is if you're feeling that your ends feel a little bit of dry, so I like to use this oil by Oribe. You just need like a tiny amount. Just rub it between your hands and go over your ends. That's it. This is my go-to look. Hope you guys liked it. I have used this T3 curling wand a couple of times, and I feel the difference is that my curls last longer now, up to 3 days, which never happened earlier. So super happy about it. I would love to hear any feedback or any questions you guys have, so leave that in the comments below, and talk to you later. Bye bye.